Well, oh well. Hope y'all enjoyed that. So, I gotta go with the final thought right now, okay? Well, oh well. So, I really enjoy doing rainy day schedule episodes and stuff like that. But, the thing is, I don't know what the thing is, though. But, during a rainy day, you play cards, you play Uno at that. Excuse me. Fix the alright, you play Uno. Yep, Uno. Then checkers, chess. I don't know how to play chess. I forgot how to play chess. Okay? So you play Uno, you play checkers, you video games and stuff. That's if the power is on. So when the power's out, you play board games like Candyland, Monopoly, Money Game, and stuff like that. Well, I don't know if they really have Money Game, board game, or whatever. Alright, so the thing is, folks, I really enjoy my rainy day schedule, have the house to myself, and stuff like that. Yep, so everything is good. And I really enjoy everything, I really, really do, okay? I just wish my favorite friend would have been here, though, okay? To cuddle with and stuff like that. But I ain't talking about my friend Brittany, which I do care about, though, okay? She have a hubby to cuddle with, Yes, indeed. But Nyla, she have a child to cuddle with during a bad storm, Even Tanya got somebody to cuddle with during a bad storm, So I must say I am very happy about the way I'm at now, where I'm at, So by me being a homeowner, I gotta do whatever it takes, So when it's raining, long as the roof don't leak and stuff like that, no roof leaking, So, alright, that's all I gotta say. Okay, like Bob Barker would say, help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered. Thank y'all for watching the Dominoes 7 show. Alright, this the Dominoes 7 show rainy day schedule episode. Alright, bye bye.